Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In the B.Ed first year, I have a subject Contemporary India and Education. Its first practical title is Contribution of Indian Thinkers in Education. In this practical, we have to write about any of the educational thinker like Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Mahatma Gandhi, or Swami Vivekanand, any of the Indian thinker. We have to write educational philosophy of that Indian thinker, his aim of education, his role in education, etc. So the Indian thinker I have choose here is APJ Abdul Kalam. So let's see what I have written in this practical. First, the name of the practical, the title of the practical. Then I have written about the introduction. The space scientist who became president, APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Avir Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam, and we know him as APJ Abdul Kalam. So you can read here what I have write about him. He was also known as a missile man of India. All this the introduction about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a man of simplicity and integrity. He was busy at work that he rises up early in the morning and worked till late hours after midnight. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. He also played a role in 1998 Pokhran second test under leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He died after suffering a cardiac arrest while delivering a lecture at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong on July 27, 2015. After the introduction, I have written about the aim of education. What are the aims of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in the education? He wanted education to be practical and bring smile to children. Next, what are the roles of APJ Abdul Kalam in the education? Role in education. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a practical educational thinker and visionary who stands for integrating ancient and modern educational idea for the development of balanced Indian society. Being a top scientist of international reputation, his direct contribution to the advancement of science and technology is unique and commendable. APJ Abdul Kalam was felicitated with the Padma Bhushan in 1981. Padma Vibhushan, highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna in 1997. Because of his humble nature towards people, he was called as People's President. Next, I have written about educational philosophy of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I will just tell the in short. I will tell you in the short. Students should have capabilities and capacities. Education should enhance the capability and capacity in students. Next is education should be skill based or skill oriented. This was the main philosophy of the APJ Abdul Kalam, that he wanted education to be skill based or skill oriented. Next is virtual classrooms. Universities should equip themselves with educated computing equipment, laboratory equipments, and internet facilities. Next, planning for good education for children in village. Mission education. Education is the most important element for the growth and prosperity of the nation. So you can add the points like this, which I have added here. Inequality of access to educational resources. What kind of teacher should India have? This was also told by the APJ Abdul Kalam, that what kind of teacher should we have. Dr. Kalam believes that teachers have tremendous responsibility in shaping the life of an individual. Teachers are like ladder which is used by everyone to climb up in life. So at the last, I have written about the summary. I have just add a quote of APJ Abdul Kalam here. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. At the end, I have written the summary of this whole practical. You can read here. Essence of Dr. Kalam's personal experience, his life, his educational philosophy, and his educational thoughts are treasure, worthy to be possessed, studied deeply, and implemented. He was the only president who has a lot of love for children, and the future of his India is lies in them. Today's young students want the education system to feed and challenge their innovative and creative minds. So that was my practical, which I have written according to me. So you can also add the points as you like, and you can also select any educational thinker, Indian thinker which you like. So thank you.